If I put the words KPIT and mobility together, I think they're synonyms for each other now.
The most important thing which I learned into KPIT is to increase my aspiration.
You name a vehicle and KPIT has a contribution towards it.
If you want to be excited about work every day, then KPIT is the place to be.
During my childhood, my father had an ambassador and he was very emotionally connected with that car. Nowadays, it is not just having a car, it is about how the car is connected with you. To moving from point A to point B along with KPIT is to look for the possibilities, to ask the question how this can be done. The best thing is we are looking towards the SDV, software defined vehicles. It's not just having some software inbuilt with the car, it is all about the car is connected to the cloud, by which you can manage your cars remotely even if you're traveling to any destination. With the help of predictive maintenance, we can predict early where your car will going to break down and for what reason. Then you can continuously get upgrades. Same way like your mobile, your car will get upgrades. This is something beyond your imagination right now, which we are acting upon. What motivates me from there is like, we used to see the vehicles in the sci-fi movies, but can we see that on our road? If we have that aspiration to do, then definitely we are able to do that one.
KPIT has got a very clear vision that we are going to cater to the T25 OEMs of the world. We are not only a coding company, but we are strategic partners to our customers. We guide our customers, help them understand what are the future needs, and together we work with them. The engineers who are there, who are working with KPIT, they obviously have a vision, to make a difference to the world. They want to work on complex solutions. Example, if I have to take off an off-highway vehicle, there is not a lot of connectivity. So the engineers, they have to really think ahead that, how the solution is going to work in an offline mode. Whereas in a commercial vehicle, the objective is completely different. Even a 2% efficiency increase is going to make a huge difference to the fleet owner. So these kind of things, when an engineer thinks about it, it's going to make a difference in the way he or she works. And if I say it's close to my heart, of course it is close to my heart, because when I see the cars on the road, when I see a tractor far off in a field in Germany, when I see the difference it's making to the world, the kind of sustainability that is bringing to the world. So that's why I would say that I go beyond the paycheck.
For me, culture at KPIT is creating a safe space for everyone to learn and grow and building trusted partnerships with the people. So as part of the learning and development of every KPIT, we have a fantastic team, which is KPIT Academy, which takes care of all the training and learning needs of the organization. For freshers especially, we have something called as NOVA to bridge the campus to corporate move that they will be part of. Anyone who is already part of the organization, we have programs like Tech Lead, Test Lead, and then we have something called as Project Propel, which is more for client-facing roles. And then of course for our leadership, we have what we call as maestros. It's important for us to upskill not only from the technology perspective, but also from a people perspective. Almost every day I come across participants, especially for our managerial programs, who are kind of in the cusp of moving from technical to people management. And I would say participants of our program have come back to me and said that we were skeptical whether people management is for me, but that's the career journey that we want to go ahead with.
I'm Abhijit Baste. I'm part of KPIT since last 20 years. My journey started in 2004. At that time, most of the vehicle focused on the propulsion aspect of it, whereas the infotainment system and autonomous things were just in the conceptual phase. Currently, something that we cannot see is the architecture within a vehicle that is undergoing a major change through software-defined vehicle concept. Throughout this journey, we always were ahead of time, and innovation was always required. And KPIT's focus on employee centricity helps build this innovation. From future perspective, in short term, hybrids would be one of the focus that KPIT would start contributing to. And on long term, working with OEMs to build more customized feature in their vehicle is something that KPIT would work towards. Whenever I'm traveling with my family and my son asks that have you contributed to this vehicle, my answer is yes, and that makes me feel proud about it.